Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Noelle. Hi, hello, if you're new, welcome. If not, welcome back. Today I'm going to go ahead and jump into my Play box by Sephora. If you guys aren't aware of this, this is the, obviously, Sephora monthly subscription box. The monthly box is $10 a month. You get 5, they're definitely not full-size products. 5 luxury sample size products, but they are like the name brand products. You do get like Becca, Kat Von D, Marc Jacobs, things like that in the box. This is the box that it comes in. It's the black and white stripes, just like usually, you know, the Sephora in the Sephora stores. And then once you open it up, once you open it up and rip it open like a savage, of course you get a little, this is actually like a poster that tells you all the products that are in the monthly box. And then every month that you renew, you also get 50 Beauty Insider points towards your VIP or VIB account. And then inside the box, the products come wrapped in a little bag. It's a different bag every month, little drawstring bag here, but this is what the products are. So yeah, if you guys want to see what's in the box, the bag, the whole shebang here, just keep watching the video, guys. Alright, so opening up the bag, the first product that I have in here is the Briogeo Blossom and Bloom Ginseng Biotin Volumizing Spray. This is 0.75 ounces, so it's not a full ounce. I'm curious to smell this, and I hate to say it, but I know everybody loves their like deep conditioning cream, whatever, leave-in conditioner. I don't like that stuff for some reason, so I don't know if I'm going to like this or not. I don't feel like it conditions my hair that great. I do have colored, treated, damaged hair, so it's not something that I find that works very well for me. The next thing in the box is a Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush. It's one of the mini size ones. It is 1.5 gram or 0.5 ounces, and this is in the shade Party. Actually really pretty. It's a very light neutral pink. And if you've ever used any of these blushes, these are actually probably some of the best blushes that I have ever used. So I know it's going to be pigmented. I know it's good. It lives up to the name of the 12-hour blush. They usually last all day for me. So there's that. Next product in the box is actually another Tarte product. It is a lipstick, it looks like, in this shade Salt Life. It's a very neutral, it's just a little mini neutral lipstick. Very pigmented and very creamy. I actually really like this color too. I have found that majority of the lipsticks that I get in these boxes I end up loving and I end up purchasing. And that comes from like anything. I've had the Tarte, I've had Kat Von D, I've had Stila, I've had the Sephora brand ones, liquid lipsticks, regular lipsticks, and I always tend to repurchase these. These are always very nice like colors that they give you. Next product in the bag, this must be like a Tarte box. What in the world? Is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Deep Dive Makeup Removing Gel Cleaner. And it's like their Tarte Rainforest of the Sea, or yes, Rainforest of the Sea packaging, that pretty purple with like the coral stuff on there. Not a very strong scent. This is, how many ounces? Anybody know? I have no clue. I'm sure it's not even a full ounce. But anyway, that's the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea makeup cleanser. Next product in my little bag is actually Drunk Elephant. If anybody knows anything about this brand, we know it's expensive. Insanely expensive. This is the Proteini Polypeptide Cream Facial Moisturizer. And let me see if the full size retail price is in here. So it does not have the full retail price in here. Womp womp. Yes. Anyway, so this is by Drunk Elephant. There's no scent to it, so there's that. And then this is 0.17 fluid ounces moisturizer. Last thing in the box is a Boscia Matcha Magic Super Antioxidant Mask. And there's nothing in particular. It just says apply a thick, opaque, even layer to clean dry skin. Leave on a 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water. Let's see what does this claim to do. The free radical fighting mask uses matcha green tea to I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong, detoxify, decongest, and de-stress your skin. A natural version of retinol that promotes skin elasticity and helps to fight off acne. Okay. So actually there was, and it's kind of weird because you usually get 5 little product sample thingies and then like a perfume sample. So I guess they didn't give the perfume sample this month, and then they gave you this little mask, which I'm not against because I'm all for a good face mask. It definitely seemed to be a bag, box, whatever you want to look at, around the brand Tarte, which I'm not complaining because they have great skincare, they have great makeup. Drunk Elephant, obviously, I've never tried this, but I know it's really good skincare, like I mentioned. Definitely more on the pricier side, so this is a great little sample thing to have. I'm not 1000% sure I'm going to love this leave-in spray, because I don't typically like their moisturizer that I've gotten multiple times from Sephora, from BoxyCharm, from Ipsy, like a million things. But yeah. If you guys are interested, that is my Sephora Play Box. Again, it is $10 a month. You get 5 or 6 little beauty size luxury sample items. And then, like I said, with every purchase, you also get 50 beauty insider points. I think plus 10 because, well, really you're getting 60 because you spend $10. You know, Sephora gives 1 point for every dollar that you spend. So really you're getting 60 points for the Sephora Play Box. But yeah. If you guys like me, you like these videos, you want to keep them coming, hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.